How to use Progressive's Snapshot Program. Let's get started. Progressive Snapshot Program is a usage-based insurance program that personalizes your rate based on your driving habits. By tracking your driving, you can earn discounts for safe driving. Here's how you can sign up and start using it. First, you will need to sign up for the Snapshot Program. If you are getting a new policy, you can enroll while getting your quote. Existing policyholders can enroll through their online account or by contacting customer service. Next, you have two options for tracking your driving, the mobile app or plug-in device. For the mobile app, download the Progressive Snapshot app from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you prefer the plug-in device, Progressive will mail it to you. This device connects to your car's OBI part. If you are using the mobile app, follow the instructions to set up a profile and start recording your trips. For the plug-in device, locate your car's OBD part, usually under the dashboard near the steering wheel or plug-in device. Now start driving as you normally would. The Snapshot program will monitor your device habits such as speed, braking, and the time of day you drive. Use the app or your online account to track your progress and see your projected discount. You'll receive weekly updates through the app with driving reports and tips on how to improve your driving. You'll also get a driving score based on your habits, which will help determine your discount. At the end of the review period, typically 6 months, Progressive will analyze your driving data and apply a personalized discount to your insurance premium. This discount will be reflected at your next policy renewal. You can choose to continue using Snapshot for ongoing monitoring and potential additional discounts. If you decide Snapshot isn't for you, you can opt out anytime by removing the app or returning the plug-in device. That's it. Using Progressive Snapshot program is a great way to potentially lower your insurance premiums by driving safely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on saving money and driving smart.